after that, the best thing they have provided also here is you can click on how much score you're getting, so to check by yourself are you eligible or not. Because if you remember, I mentioned you should have at least 6 points to qualify. So you can click on that, and if you click here what is your nationality, you can give your nationality. Then you can click, is your country of residence different from your nationality? No, I am applying based on that I am living in India. Okay, so then do you have qualification that require at least 2 years to complete? Do you have a qualification that required at least 2 years to complete? Yes, I hold a professional qualification. Yes, I have a university degree. I have appropriate qualification from no, not for this. I don't have any formal professional qualification. No, I hold a professional qualification. Occasional training, this you can do if you have a degree less than 3 years. Okay, otherwise if you have a degree, you can click on I have a university degree. Did you obtain your qualification in Germany, or it is partially or fully recognized there? So yes, I have obtained my professional qualification in university in Germany. No, I don't know. My qualification is not recognized. No. Yes, my qualification is partially recognized. Yes, it is not, it is fully recognized. The fully recognition, not recognition, the best way to find out is in your mailing UniAssist, because UniAssist is a centralized university what you can say application transfer department in Germany. So if say example, UniAssist knows the Karnataka's Vishwesvaraya Technological University, they know that is recognized, and they also know. So say example, if you're coming from any other states and if you don't know your university is recognized, the best and easy solution to mail UniAssist and ask them it is recognized. They will suggest you to apply for VPD, but yeah, you can just ask, they will tell you that. So that is the very easy and best way to ask. Though how well you speak German, as of now I speak B1, but yeah, we'll go with a little of A1 because we will work in normal situation. So how well do you speak English? So this will be, most of the people will fall into category of B2 and C1. So I will go by C1. Then what is your age? So here as I mentioned, if you're below or the younger age, then you're getting getting more points for sure. This is what I heard also here in Germany. So you can click on it, your desired age. Then do you possess work experience relevant to your university degree? So this sometimes it changes. From my point of view, whatever after finishing degree you would have worked anywhere or anything in India. So formulate that based on what you have studied. So say example, you have worked somewhere else, but that's okay. Formulate that onto your university degree that you have used this skill to work there. Like that you can do it. So then you can click on yes. Then how many years of experience do you have in the field? So I can just say I can provide evidence of 2 years or less than professional experience. That would be good. So here you have to have a, what you can say, professional experience certificate given. So here I think the best thing would be to say I don't have a experience, then it would be good, so that I don't let's see the how Chancenkarte differs. So work relevant university degree, no, I have not worked, say example. Then in your formal qualification, please select no, it doesn't apply. So natural science, mathematics, engineering. So this, if you are selecting, your chances of getting Chancenkarte is more. I don't know, it rhymed well, but yeah, because Germany will give importance to the people who are interested in natural science, mathematics, engineering, which is first for sure. Then healthcare, education sector, information technology, and other guys. No. So here I will click on engineering, because most of people who will come or who will plan to come here would be engineers for sure. So have you resident legally in Germany for continuous period of less than 6 months in last 5 years? No. For sure, most of the people who will apply for Chancenkarte won't be been or came here for 6 months, because the only visa you will get before that is either student, then you won't be applying for Chancenkarte. Okay, the other thing would be maybe you will have a travel visa of Europe, but you won't be staying for sure 6 months, because you have to go back before 6 months. So that I will say no. Then do you want to partner who also wishes enter Germany with the opportunity card? As of now, you can also click on that yes. I don't know, I will click on no. Then do you have the sufficient financial livelihood, at least 12,324? Yes, we came to the exact known part for students. This number is what you can say generated based on your monthly expenditure of, I don't know, 920 euros approximately. That will sum up into 12,324 for a year. This you should at least have in your blocked account, they will say for sure. So once you have this money blocked, then you will have a then they will get a what you can say security that you have money, so that you will stay for 1 year. Then yes, you have to click yes there. Yes, do you already have a job offer from employer in Germany? No, I will come and find. So here you can click on dummy name. I will click. So after giving everything, I think they will check. So congratulations, Chancenkarte score is above 6 points. So here, as I mentioned earlier, the best and easy way, or the easiest people who can get a Chancenkarte is people who are working professional engineers, natural science, mathematics teacher, and also information technology, or any engineering sector, natural science sectors. That is one. And people who are below 35 years, okay, and people who have at least A1 and they have a IELTS certificate, okay, and you have your blocked account. So if you have these documents ready, then your Chancenkarte chance is more. So now these are now the first part, I would say, where we just saw the requirements and finished engineering and work at least for 1 year or 2 years from India, who is working in a company, who want to just move to Germany to find job. So in that basic aspects, we are eligible, or we can see that we are like most probably gonna get Chancenkarte. Like this, we will apply now. So once you have got your desired recognized points, so now you have a confidence that you will get visa for sure. Then you can click on all other documents, what are the checklists that they want, and you can click on embassy and check on government website to apply directly. So embassy is VFS, you can German missions, where you can check the visa application censor and things like that. So for this, I have a dedicated video which I upload like 1 year back. So the all procedure will be 80 or 90% same. You just have to change the visa category, that's it, because it will also fall under the German stay which is above 90 days, so you will get that for sure. So once you come here, then you have to do a city registration and things like that. So the normal procedure for German application or visa application will be the same like my last video. So that's it. I have shown you how you can check what are the importance of what you can say opportunity card, what are the best things, or what are the advantages of it, opportunity card, what are the requirements that you should have, and how you can apply for visa. That I have not shown because I have a video which is already recorded. So that's why you can go and check it out, because I saw the procedure, it is almost similar, so you can use that as the what you can say previous backup. Then thank you so much for waiting till here to finish, and keep supporting me. Then we will come up with new colleges for sure. In future, I will be uploading every week thrice for sure. So I have scheduling and making it happen. So stay tuned. Bye bye.